Welcome to the Healing Circle, where your happiness is our expectation. But above all, your joy is our expectation. Now your joy sits on the inside. And we know that joy equals reality minus circumstances. So we are fixated on your ability to look at your reality and to look at the circumstances and still find joy. Now, scientists tells us that thoughts move faster than the speed of light. So one of the things that we help you to do within the Healing Circle is to marinate, to hold on to the thoughts that are good, to fill your inner life with joy and so foster good health. Remember, thoughts move faster than the speed of light, but we can learn to capture that thought that is good for us so that it does not escape us. And also, we have the ability to push out any negative thought that's going to cause injury to our health. Your happiness is our expectation, but your joy is above happiness. And we want to teach you how to marinate good thoughts so that you can foster good health. See you next time in the Healing Circle.